What's going on, Pyros? It's Jerome, the Pyro 22, and today I'm going to be showing you my stash for 2023. First, we have Holy Beast. This was 89 bucks. I went to Rocket Fireworks, really good prices. Some of the best prices I've seen in a few years. In fact, some of the prices that they were carrying were like 4 or 5 years ago prices. So over here we have Irish Legend. 4 come to a case. Pretty good price on that. It was $109 for 8 cakes. Over here we have Noisy, made by Fireworks. 16 to a case, 79 bucks. Over here we have the Brothers assortment, and it is the All-Star Action. You get 2 of each cake. Pretty good price on that. Got it for 89 bucks also. And of course we have High Flutin', everybody's favorite. I got this case right here for 89 bucks. And then coming over here, I have Magnificent Festival. I'm telling you guys, I told you like last year, man, these cakes were really, really good. They really took me by surprise. Great breaks. I would almost consider that a 350 gram. Over here, we have Fluorescent Nights, and that's made by Magnus. That was 79 bucks. You get 4 to a case, different effects. You got willows, you got brocade, all types of different effects. Over here, got this assortment. Kind of already opened it, used a little bit out of it, but pretty good price, 44 bucks. Over here, we have Storm Area 51. You get 3 cakes to that. I'm really, really impressed. Look these up on YouTube. Really good breaks. About 43-second duration. Really good. And the one I really, really wanted this year was Redneck Survival Kit. Got 3 cakes in it also. Over here, we got Pick Your Poison. It's an assortment of your alcoholic beverages. So, like I says, pick your poison. And then over here, we have firecrackers. Got some Whistling Moon Travelers. The Dreamer candle comes with, let's see, 6 big breaks on those. Got some Raccoon assorted candles, about 5 packs. Got some tanks, some parachutes, some big parachutes, some clustering bees, sparklers. And I've been wanting to get these for a long time, and I finally picked them up. They were $11.95 a piece. Smoke Dragon. I'm really, really excited to use those this year. But yeah, guys, that's my stash for this year. Let's kind of go around again, show you guys a take. Alright guys, this is Jerome the Pyro 22. Peace out. Have a safe 4th of July, and let's blow some stuff up.